In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix password not working in Salesforce. If you're seeing an error when you try to sign in, don't worry. I'll walk you through the exact path to get back into your account securely using Salesforce's official reset flow. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your organization's Salesforce login page. This is typically a secure page with the Salesforce logo and fields for your username and password. Make sure the URL starts with HTTPS and that you're on the correct company domain if your organization uses a custom login. Using a bookmark you trust or typing the address manually helps you avoid lookalike pages. On the login screen, click into the username field. Carefully type your Salesforce username. In many companies, the username looks like an email address, but it isn't always the same as your actual inbox address, so use the exact one assigned to you. Take a moment to double-check spelling, symbols, and any special characters. It's easy to miss a dot or swap a letter. Also confirm that caps lock isn't on, especially if part of your username includes uppercase letters. Next, click into the password field and enter your password. Salesforce passwords are case sensitive, so match upper and lowercase exactly. If you use a password manager, make sure it's filling in the right credentials for this specific Salesforce environment. If you changed your password recently in another browser or on your phone, your saved password might be out of date here. Click Login. If the credentials don't match, Salesforce will display a message that says, "Error. Please check your username and password. If you still can't log in, contact your Salesforce administrator." It might be tempting to try multiple times, but many orgs have lockout rules after several failed attempts, so the fastest, safest route is to reset your password now. Click the Forgot Your Password link below the login fields. This opens the password reset page. Here, you'll be asked to enter your username again. Type it carefully and verify it's for the correct Salesforce org if you have access to more than one. When you're ready, click Continue. You'll see a confirmation screen instructing you to check your email. Give it a moment, then open your email inbox in a new tab or window. If the message doesn't arrive right away, refresh the page and check your spam or junk folder. Some filters can delay or misfile automated security emails. If your company uses a security or quarantine system, you may need to release the message there. Look for an email with a subject like "Finish resetting your Salesforce password." Open it and review the details to make sure it matches the Salesforce org you're trying to access. For your security, don't forward this message and don't share the reset link with anyone. Inside the email, click the password reset link. This secure link takes you back to Salesforce so you can complete the process. Reset links can expire, so it's best to use it soon after it arrives and from a trusted device and network. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts to finish resetting your password. Choose a strong, unique password that meets your organization's policy, update your password manager if you use one, and then sign back in with your new credentials. That's it. We went from the login page, saw the error, launched the official reset flow, submitted the username, checked the inbox, opened the reset message, and clicked the secure link to proceed. If you still can't log in after resetting, or if you don't receive the email, reach out to your Salesforce administrator as the error message suggests. They can confirm your username, check for any lockouts, and verify that your account is active in the right environment. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back into Salesforce quickly and safely.